Hey folks, Jimmy here, aka Palette of the Dead. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a Mortal Realms video. This is not your standard Mortal Realms video, but before we jump into it, as always, if you like these videos, hit the like button, hit subscribe and drop a comment down below. It's always nice to hear from everyone. Right, starting off with everything that's going on. So, there has been an update from Hatchet Partworks for all subscribers to the magazine will have received. And it is a letter detailing of what's going on. So, as you're a subscriber, you are auto-enrolled into a bunch of things. So whether it's the folders, which cost like £8 per folder, the dividers, and some other random little bits. One of these little bits is linking up to the exclusive model of Xandria Azure Bolt that we got in issue 5, which this item is the first of 3, and it is an exclusive novella. This one is literally, you can't get this novella from Black Library at all. It is exclusive for the magazine because it links to that model. Now, this book has, in all honesty, it has a really nice look to it. The cover looks really nice. Apparently it's going to have some exclusive artwork and have a slipcase that will come with each, that fits each book in essentially out of the 3. It could be really good. It could be really good. However, as I say, you are auto-enrolled into it, so if you do not want this book, you have to opt out. You have to get in touch with the publishers to opt out of it. So, let's have a read through this letter. So, the letter reads, Dear subscriber, read The Amethyst Stave, the thrilling first novella from the Warhammer Age of Sigmar Mortal Realms trilogy. Knight Incantor Xandria Azure Bolt and her Sacrosanct Chamber warriors from the Hammers of Sigmar have been sent to the realm of death, Shaiish. Their task is to prevent the Nighthaunts from retrieving a deadly magical weapon in the name of their cruel god Nagash. If they are to retrieve that which they seek, Xandria and her allies must journey into the haunted, war-ridden wilds of Lyria and contend with an army of murderous geists. Each novella in this trilogy is beautifully crafted with coloured, paged edges and an exclusively designed front cover featuring gold foil for that premium feel. The 3 novellas line up to form a flowing piece of artwork that will look stunning on your shelf. The 3rd novella comes with a specially designed slipcase to house the 3 novellas together. This brand new novella comes for the special subscriber price of £12.99 or £14.99 in euros for the Republic of Ireland. As a subscriber, we have already reserved a copy of Warhammer Age of Sigmar Mortal Realms novella, The Amethyst Stave, for you, and it will be sent out automatically in your next dispatch unless you have previously opted out of specials. If you do not wish to receive your limited edition novella, then you can contact us via phone or email to cancel the order. Alternatively, please get in touch if you have already opted out of specials but would like to receive this one. Then it gives you their phone number, gives us the email address. We would like to thank you for your subscription and hope you enjoy collecting the series. Now, the big thing with this is, as I say, it is automatically enrolled. You're automatically enrolled into it. They did the same with Warhammer Conquest magazine, which, you are told about it when you signed up. It is up to you if you wish to collect that item. However, if you want to get this and you haven't subscribed, you might be able to get hold of it still. To be honest, what they did with Conquest, from what I can find out, although I didn't collect it myself, is you could actually ask for a copy and they allowed it. So it might be worth doing it. I don't subscribe directly to the magazine. I collect it, get it from a local newsagent, which I'm happy with. But I must admit, I'm kind of tempted. I am gonna email them, and I will give you an update when I get a response from them. But I just wanted to bring this up because it had just been released today. I knew that there was going to be exclusives, but I didn't know if there were going to be novellas, in all honesty. I thought it might have been something slightly different, but not too bad. What are your guys' thoughts on it? It was brought more to my attention when it was mentioned to me in a comment earlier on the previous video, so I thought I'd do this video as a quick update as to what's going on with Mortal Realms magazine. So, the question is passed off to you guys, of course. Do you agree with these auto-enrollments for extras, whether it's for binders, whether it's books, whether it's exclusive items, that type of thing? Do you disagree with it? Are you a subscriber but through your local news agent, so you think you might want to get hold of this book by getting in touch with a publisher, or whatever your thoughts are? Let me know in the comments down below. And that's it, pretty much. A nice, quick, simple video for this one. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back on Wednesday for the next issue of Mortal Realms. Thank you. Bye-bye now.